Hi everyone, I'm from MXD Software Private Limited, and in this video we will see how we can configure price list in Odoo. What is price list? Actually, if you want to offer multiple prices for the same product in multiple scenarios, then we use price list. What this actually means, for example, we have to offer one product in different prices to different customers, so then we use price list. Or if we have to apply any special discount or any other kind of discount, any calculative discount on our product, then we use price list. So let's see how we can configure price list. So to configure price list, we need to jump into sales. After jumping into sales, then we will see the price list option in product price list. If this price list option is not appearing in your system, then what you need to do is you need to go to configuration, then setting. Then in the setting page you will find the price list section. Here in pricing you will see the price list. Make sure this is checked. Once you check this, please hit save. After saving this, go to product and then go to price list. Here you can see I have three price lists in my system. So create a new price list, just hit new. Create the price list. I want to make it like I want to give the price list with the name of my customer. What will happen is, once I will create the sales order, then I will select the customer and then the sales price list with that same customer name. So let's say my customer is MXD Software Private Limited, then I can say special price. This is the price list name. Then we can add the product. Let's say my product is this and I want to give a fixed price, for example 120, to this particular customer in this price list. Or we can say I want to give a discount of 10% to this particular customer with this price list. So I just adjust the things as per that and then I will save. And then let's say I will add another product and I will give a discount of 20%. Save. Nice. So I had created a price list for this particular customer. Now I will save this. So I have this product with 10% price, right? So let's jump to my sales application. Let's create a new quotation. Let's select the customer MXD Software Private Limited. If the company is not there, we got the option to create it. Let me create that. It's created. Then you can see the price list is appearing here. I will select this. If this price list is not automatically selected, then what you can do is you can click on price list section and then you can select it. As of now I'm just changing the price list. So let's say the price list is this and I'm adding the product into this, and here's the product and this is the configuration. Save. You can see the price is 320 and the total amount is 288 after this 10% discount. Now let's say I'm applying MXD and here is update price. Okay, actually the discount was already 10%, so let me change the price list first. Yeah, you can see here that for EUR price list our product price is 410 and the total price is 410.69. Now let me change this to MXD. Now I have to hit update and then you will see that we get a flat discount of 10%, right? And you had also noticed that the unit price of this product was also changed. And how we can do this? We can do this using demographics. We can set the price of this particular product into different demographics with a different amount. So in this video we was just covering price list, so I was only showing you the discount side of this. So you have noticed that in the initial run, when the price list was EU, then the discount was 0%. Here we can notice that the pricing is 0%, and once we jump into MXD, I need to update the pricing, then the discount is changed into 10%. So here we have seen what is price list, how we can apply that. Based on your configuration, you can also apply multiple kind of price list. You can use formulas. We can just click on sales, we can go to product, price list, hit new, and then just give it some name XYZ, add a product, and then you can see that either you can apply the price list on a product or on a category. You can select the category from here, or you can select the product. And then discount, we had already told you. Fixed price is the price at which we want to sell this. Then here is formula. In formula, you can clearly specify based on what options, what are the discounts that you want to apply. So you just need to play around with this to figure it out, what kind of discount or what kind of pricing you want to give. And here at right hand side, you can see whenever I make a change in the pricing, then the numbers also change here, so that you will get a clear understanding of how and what are the things that are happening here. You can also configure minimum quantity that is required to trigger this discount, or any validity from which date to which date you want to run this, right? So guys, that was for this video. I was from MXD Software Private Limited. If you can contact us on mxdsoftware@gmail.com, or you can also WhatsApp us on 918750774829. Thanks for your time.